Let's take a look at the form card menu inside the RegistrationMagic. The form menu can be accessed by clicking the three dots. By clicking on Edit, you can change the name of your form very easily. Next, you will see various form management and customization options on the left-hand side. All the options have sub-options underneath them. For instance, in the Build section, you will find a couple of options like Fields Manager where you can edit the form fields, and Design, which will help you customize the form design. Under Configure, there are various options like General Settings, where you can change or add more details about your form. The accounts will let you enable or disable the user registration. Through Post Submissions, you can add a success message after the form is submitted on the front end. Moreover, you can select if you want to display a unique token number for each submission. You can also set redirection to a page or an URL from here. There is also an option to send the data to an external URL if you wish to. Using the auto-responder function, you can set an auto-reply. This will send an email to your users upon successful submission of the form. Through the Limits option, you can limit the number of form submissions. You can select any one limitation from these available options. Lastly, the Access Control option will let you enable or disable various useful options like Date-Based Access Control where the user will be required to insert the date before accessing the form. The Passphrase option will ask the user to enter a passphrase before accessing the form. You can also enable user-based role access where only users with specified roles will be able to view the form. With domain-based access, only the users with specified email domains will be able to submit the form. And, if users are not authorized to access the form, you can show them a particular message according to your liking. Inside the Integration option, you will find all the third-party apps with which you can integrate your form data. Currently, you can connect your form with powerful apps like MailChimp, Aweber, Dropbox, MailPoet, and Newsletter. More will be added soon. Coming to the Publish section, you can find a lot of features related to form publishing. The shortcode option gives you the ability to copy the code and paste it anywhere on the website where you want the form to be displayed. If not the shortcode, you can also publish the form using the HTML code. You can also publish the form through the RegistrationMagic form widget. One of the exciting features of RegistrationMagic is you can display a directory of the users who have submitted the form using the user directory shortcode. Interestingly, using the user area shortcode you can create a user area on your website. If you want the form to display as a pop-up form, then simply use the Magic Pop-up option and the form will be set as the default registration form that will appear in the Magic Pop-up on the front end. Under Manage, you will find options like Inbox, Attachments, and Outbox. The Inbox option will let you view all the details of the users who have submitted the form successfully. You can view all the attachments using the Attachments. The Outbox will display a list of all the sent emails. Coming to Analyze, there are two options. One is the Form Analytics and the other is Field Analytics. These are a couple of the best features of RegistrationMagic. Using Form Analytics, you would be able to analyze all the important parameters of the form. From which IP address the form was submitted to when the form was visited and when it was submitted on. Moreover, you can also see how much time it has taken for all the users to fill out the form completely. That's not it. You can also see how many submissions have been there over a certain period. What is the overall conversion rate, that is how many users have visited the form, and out of them how many have filled it out. Furthermore, you can also see what browsers the users are using to fill out the form and how much is the average filling time. We certainly think these are very important features when it comes to complete user registration and management. Another exciting part is the Field Analytics. Using this, you would be able to figure out what is your audience interested in, and you can also the basics like the demographics and gender, etc. Lastly, in the Automation tab, there is a bulk email option that can be used to send bulk emails to all users of that form. Using the automation option, you can automate a lot of day-to-day form activities.